student, parents, and my fellow cadets. My name is Master Sergeant Davis. I have several individuals joining me. They will introduce themselves later on in the presentation. Again, I would like to welcome you and thank you for providing me this opportunity to promote our program. Next slide, please. The mission of JROTC is to motivate young people to become better citizens. This mission requires cadets, our students, to be proactive in that which promote greatness. Our curriculum is accredited globally in places like Spain, Germany, amongst a few. We have an unbiased curriculum. It allows us to not only accept, but connect all aspects of required learning. The 7 citizenship skills support our curriculum.
Hello everyone, I am the XO Heidi Hernandez. Today I will be talking about 2 skills within the JROTC program. Skill 1, cooperation. We work together in setting goals and achieving them. Another skill is patience. Everyone works at a different pace. We have to be patient.
Hello everyone, I'm the battalion commander, Anaya Martinez. I will be going over respect, which is we respect all students. It doesn't matter what race or religion they are. Strength is also to be able to stand for with someone or by yourself.
And balance. Balance is us taking our curriculum and making sure that all the multiple intelligence support our students and ensure that they are ready to accomplish those things in which they have set forth in their goals. Next slide, please.
Hello everyone, I'm Cadet Captain Rivera, an S3 in the JROTC program. A cadet is more than a kid that's in the ROTC program wearing a $400 uniform. A cadet is an elite student that has a duty to positively affect their environment, no matter where they find it, by following a set core of values. These values are taught to you throughout your time in the ROTC program for you to live by, which will positively not only affect your life in the program, but affect your life above and beyond. And then we follow a creed to influence, change, and maintain ourselves and how we carry ourselves throughout our lives and throughout in school. These values can be set not only to improve ourselves, but our surroundings.
Next slide, please.
Next slide, please.
Hey, good evening, everybody. I'm from First Class Kaminsky. I got a couple cadets here. They're going to be covering some different travel opportunities and some different things that we do in the classroom. Go ahead, Stephanie.
Hello, everybody. My name is Cadet Captain Stephanie Yera, and I am S5. Some opportunities here in the JROTC program is leadership. We get to become leaders, not only to ourselves, but for other people. We get to learn how to take charge. We also have service opportunities where we help as many communities as we want, and they communicate with us. We go help as much as we want. So we also learn to have some job opportunities. Our sergeants teach us here how they ask us and teach us realistic questions for future job opportunities and what can they ask and what they look for. There's also scholarship opportunities. Some are academic, physical fitness, and extracurricular activities.
Hello everyone, I'm Cadet Captain Devin Johnson. I'm the primary battalion at 6. JROTC does not promote the military, but if you enlist in the military after high school from the JROTC program, you can make $4K a year on top of your paycheck. I am considering joining the United States Air Force next year, and also within the program, there's perks to it. You can travel, you can go on spring trips. For example, I went to GCOC, which is Junior Cadet Leadership Challenge, which is a 5-day summer camp in Wisconsin that students can go on. There's a bunch of other fun trips, for example, Spain, New York, Boston, listed below, that you can go on, which is all for JROTC students. Another fun trip is an all-expense paid trip to West Virginia in a drill competition with varsity drill team. These are many part of the reasons that you should join JROTC.
Next slide, please. As you can see, our cadets are independent thinkers. There are thinkers they're well informed of those things that they would like to achieve and those things they would like to have in their life. Also, you'll see on the right side of this poster, better and right. Do not compromise those things that you believe in, those things that you want. Our school is that which you deserve. We have a couple of other cadets who will tell you why they joined JROTC and why they're in Steinmetz today.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Cadet Captain Gonzalez. I'm the S2. I will be briefing on my experience in the JROTC program. I've been in JROTC for 4 years. I'm currently a senior. Since my freshman year when I joined, I had very great experiences. My freshman year, we did this thing that was called the Special Olympics. It was the best thing I could have ever done, and I hope you guys can do it too if you guys get the opportunity. In the JROTC program, you're gonna learn a lot. Most importantly, on how to become a better person and how to work with other people and have amazing leadership skills.
Mr. Rivera.
Hello, I got it. Hello, I'm Cadet Captain Hensley. I am the S4, primary staff. And the reason why I joined ROTC was because I seen the opportunity that it could provide, such as service learning opportunities. That's the main reason why I joined it. Also, I was highly interested in joining the rifle and drill team.
Next slide, please. As you can see, our cadets are very well spoken. They understand that which they desire. They understand that which they deserve. It is important to be not just a leader of other individuals, it's important to be a leader of yourself. In JROTC, influence leadership, commitment into the community.